so we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna be toning our wig today, and here's the toner and volume we're gonna be using. We're gonna first start off with our purple shampoo, and you're gonna pretty much put some in some water, like a bowl of water, and then you're gonna go ahead and mix it all together. So we're pretty much doing this because we want to eliminate some of the yellow off of the 613 wig, and you're just gonna go ahead and dip it into the water in the purple shampoo. So as you can see, we did get most of the yellow off, and then now we're just going to go ahead into toning the wig. We are going to be using T35 toner, and we're going to also be using 20 volume. So with toning our wig today, we're going to be doing the water method. You don't want to add too much water in a bowl, but just enough so that you can make sure the wig evenly tones out. So after pouring the toner in the water, you're going to go ahead and take the volume and you're going to pour it. You're going to fill the bottle up twice and pour it into the bowl, and you're going to do that for each bottle of toner. So after applying the toner and the volume in the bowl of water, you do want to thoroughly mix it together, and then you can go ahead and take your 613 wig and apply it into the bowl. So I did also just let the wig sit for about 20 minutes, and then after that I did check on the wig to see how the progress was going with toning it, and it actually did tone the wig pretty well. I did go into like opening up the wig so it can get into parts or spaces of the wig I felt like needed to be toned a little more. So I did let the wig sit for about 10 more minutes, and overall here is how the wig came out with it being toned. So the water dye method was a pretty good method. I wanted to try it, and it actually toned the wig pretty well. Here's how the wig came out after rinsing it out and letting it air dry. So it did actually come out to the color, or to the tone color I was looking to have. So now we're going to go ahead into styling the wig, and here really quickly I'm just going to apply some heat protector. So after applying the heat protector, I did go into hot combing the hair of the wig. Now we're just going to go ahead and get into flat ironing the wig before we actually style it. So here I'm just showing you guys how straight the wig came out after flat ironing it, and now we're going to go ahead into styling the wig into a part in the middle. After styling the wig, I always apply some humidity shine spray to the hair. So here's the result of our tone 613 wig, and here I'm just showing you guys how silky, shiny, and straight the hair is.